How to download and install GTA Liberty City Stories on your device. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Now once you make sure, open up Play Store on your device. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the source icon. Now simply tap on the source bar and type GTA Liberty Stories. Now click on search. Now once this page is loaded, tap on install. Now tap on the application. Now while the application is being downloaded, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Also make sure to check out other videos on our channel. Now once the application is installed, simply tap on play. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.